Are you suffering from pre-diabetic symptoms? Well, let's take out this juice because this juice is going to help you fight that. So I'm gonna start adding my celery. So celery is an exceptional vegetable when it comes to lowering your blood sugar. It's got a lot of antioxidants, it's very good for your digestive system, and it's an anti-inflammatory. So it helps even acne, skin. It's got so many different benefits. It's got fiber. So it is great for all your juicing to add celery. Then we got beets. Beets are a powerhouse when it comes to brain health, for your heart. It prevents heart disease, and it also lowers your blood sugar. And combined with celery, it is huge for anyone who's pre-diabetic. And then last but least, cucumber. Cucumber has vitamin K, which is great for bone health. It also lowers blood sugar, and it's very hydrating. So this is my juice to go to when it comes to anyone who wants to lower their blood sugars or you're pre-diabetic. This is a great juice for you to take every day. Let's juice away. On to my favorite part. I love this part. It's so soothing. Let's look at this. Look at this. Looks like blood. Here you guys see this pulp? This is fiber. This is really good insoluble fiber. Check out my YouTube videos. I have pulp recipes that you can absolutely do with this. Don't throw it away. Trust me. What? This is health. This will lower your blood sugar. To my pre-diabetic people, drink this juice. It's gonna be a game changer for you, promise. If you like this video, all you gotta do is subscribe.